Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Windows edition and build so you know which settings apply. Open Settings, System, About, and Note version and 64-bit versus 32-bit. Once done, make a quick backup or create a restore point. This prevents data loss if an update misbehaves. Next, plug into power and ensure a stable internet connection. Set active hours so updates won't reboot during work. These steps let you proceed safely into automatic update configuration without surprises. Now you configure Windows Update. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, and open Advanced Options to pick Automatic Behavior. Enable Automatic Download and Install, then set Restart Notifications so you control reboots. If you're on Pro or Enterprise, use Group Policy Editor to enforce auto-updates across profiles. Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update. Also configure Delivery Optimization and Exceptions for metered connections to prevent surprise data consumption. This ensures updates happen reliably and finish by running check for updates and confirming installations in Update History. That verifies automatic settings are effective. If an update fails, run the Windows Update troubleshooter. If problems persist, reset Windows Update components with netstop WUSERV, delete software distribution contents, then netstart WUSERV, only if comfortable with commands. Make sure drivers are current and you have adequate disk space. Reboot after major updates to complete installation. Key tip: if updates still fail, use Safe Mode and the troubleshooter to isolate driver or service conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.